Search.
People always talk about my come up, cause I've been going all every summer. Pussy wanna talk about numbers, but your manager buying swipe so by me ain't nobody.
Do you guys want to earn money from YouTube without wasting your time? If you want, then I'm going to give you some tips on how to earn and why you should have a YouTube channel. Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back again to Jiro's Tech's official YouTube channel. And I'm here again with another topic, that is earning money from YouTube. Many of you guys will know or have heard it before, but some or few may not know or never heard of this. Anyway, let's get into the tips. Okay, the first tip for you is if you want to earn money from YouTube, then most importantly and for sure, you need to have a YouTube channel. If you have a Google account, then you can easily create a channel and it's totally priceless. Second tips for you guys is if you've got a talent in anything like cooking, traveling and adventures, music lover, or if you are a game lover, or anything that is within your abilities, then why so much of wasting your time? Go and create a channel based on your abilities and talents and start to be a YouTuber. The third tips for you is how you need to create a video or what categories of videos you need to create. Creating a video is not so hard and anyone can do this, but some of you might be thinking that I don't have those fancy gears and cameras or computers. But guys, you don't need those expensive cameras or gears to grow on YouTube. Many of those big YouTubers started their YouTube career from a small device like Android smartphones or anything like this. If you've got a smartphone with good camera, then it's a must to grow on YouTube. Fourth tips for you guys is very important, and being a YouTuber or those who want to be a YouTuber or thinking to create a new channel, then please be careful about this. Using others' material in video. What most of the new YouTubers do is they never know what a copyright is, and they continuously use others' material like videos or songs, which result in copyright strike. Please don't use anyone's material without their permission, because if your channel has a copyright strike, then you'll not be able to monetize your video, which means you won't be able to earn money on YouTube. So create your own content. You can use songs from no copyright songs and videos website. I'll put the link in the description box to download a royalty-free music. You can go and download from the link. But even though if you are using a free no copyright song or videos, then you'll have to accredit the owners or simply copy the link of their website and paste it under your description box, just as I did. The fifth and the last tips for you is, well, develop more audience by showing them your quality videos. You'll need to explore the latest trends in your surrounding and make that videos, and you have to know that what your audience wants and mostly care about them as well, which will result in more views and more subscribers on your channel within no time. Work hard to achieve your goal, and like this you'll be able to earn money on YouTube. Make a YouTube as your part-time career. So welcome back if you are going to create a new channel, and I'm here to help you with lots of tips and ideas, and also stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys, and as always, see you next time. Peace.